Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's a Wonderful Plan. I'm Tina. Today I have my Happy Planner fall release haul to share with you. So I am really excited to share all of the items that I picked up from my wish list. Now I did put a video out. It is a shop with me video, shopping the Happy Planner fall release items. If you want to check that out, I will have that link down below. It is just that, it's a shop with me video. I'm showing you like the different items that are in the fall release and the things that I put on my wish list. So it's a pretty long video, but if you want to check it out, then I will link that down below. And I did not get everything on my wish list. I was very specific on the things that I did get, and I'm really happy with the items that I got because I got what I really like and what I'm going to really need moving into 2023. All right, so the items that I have here, I'm just going to show them to you, and then I will be doing a separate video doing flip throughs of like each of the collections that I have here. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, before I go through the items individually, I want to let you know that at the end, I will be talking with you how I used the sale coupon that they were offering, which was a buy more, save more sale, and my Happy Planner rewards. So if you want to hear a little bit more about how you can save money using those things, then just make sure you stay till the end, and I'll be talking about that after I share the items with you. So the first collection that I'm going to share with you is the Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm so excited about this collection, and there are quite a few items that are in this collection, and I got 3 items from it. I did get a planner. There were 2 planners available. So excited about this. It is a classic size, and it's a horizontal layout. So I love that because I love this collection. So I knew that I was going to want like a planner or notebook or something that came in it. But I also needed a new horizontal layout for 2023. So this actually worked out perfectly. I got something that I really want and in a layout that I really need. So it's like it couldn't be any more perfect. The next thing that I got from this collection is this companion accessory pack. It's so pretty. I love companion packs. You get like a little bit of everything in here. Here's the back side of it. So it really does show you like what comes in here. There's a folder, vision boards, dry erase board. There's some paper, a folder. Yeah, there's some really cute things. A couple pages of stickers, an envelope, sticky pad or paper pad, and yeah, it's really cute, and I'm loving the purple foil on here. All right, and then the next thing I got from this collection is I had to get the sticker book, and I say it with hesitation because it was one of those like purchases that I'm kind of like annoyed with, if that makes sense. So let me show it to you. And this one is a bundle. So the sticker pack that was available in this collection, you could only get it in this bundle. The bundle includes the sticker pack, and it also includes this sticker storage box. So let me flip this around here and show this to you. So I don't know, like I don't need the storage box. All I wanted was the sticker book, and I know that everybody that I've seen like that has gotten this had the same exact opinion on it. I just feel like they kind of really got us with this because they knew we were going to want the stickers. So they knew that we were going to like get it. You know what I mean? And I don't even think this is a full-size sticker book, which I didn't even realize that when I ordered it. And quite honestly, this was a pretty pricey item. So like, for the future, I think I'm going to be a little bit more like conscious of it, but I don't know. I just like wanted the stickers so bad. So I do have an idea of how I could possibly use the sticker storage box, but I don't know if it's going to work or not. I'll keep you posted on that. If you follow me on Instagram, that's probably something I would talk about on there. So if you're not following me, you can find me there at It's a Wonderful Plan. And yeah, I might do a little story and figure out how to like repurpose this and use it All right, so the next collection that I want to share with you is the Mickey and Minnie seasonal. Now, I opted to just get a couple of sticker books from that collection. I did not need any planners from that collection. I mean, they were super cute, and quite honestly, I really liked the big size cover. It was just really pretty, and the dashboards in there are very, very cute, but I didn't need another planner. I just didn't need it. So I wasn't going to buy it just because I thought it was really cute. If you love a collection, I always suggest at least picking up one of the sticker books, because then that way you can get a little taste of them. So now I think that there's another sticker book, but I got the two. So this is the first one that I got here. And this one is the classic size. I believe there's also a big size. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it is seasonal. I will do a detail flip through, but just to kind of give you a little bit of a peek ski on here. I'm loving the color palette. It's very pretty. It's totally like something that I would use. But yeah, just really, really pretty colors in here. And I'm excited to do the detailed flip through of these. And then here is this size. Now this is a newer size for the Happy Planner. I feel like they've had this size. I feel like they brought it to us last year, like early last year, but it's called the large sticker book, which just means that it is definitely a larger book. So you can see here, it's larger in size, and then the stickers in here are also bigger. There's less pieces because the stickers are bigger though, but you kind of get an idea looking at it like that. So yeah, really, really excited about this. I love seasonal things. And honestly, I gotta tell you that my love for Disney is, I feel like it's kind of like newer. I've always loved the Disney princesses, but like Mickey and Minnie I was always kind of like meh about. But when I went to Disneyland earlier this year, that was when I went to Go Wild, and also went to Disneyland like after the Go Wild conference. I fell in love with Disneyland. I cannot wait to go back. And yeah, I just love it. It's so cute. It just brings me a lot of joy. Like when I was there, it just brought me so much joy. So it really is the happiest place on earth, I'm telling you. But yeah, so since then, I definitely am loving Mickey and Minnie so much more than like I ever did. Because quite honestly, I never did before. But these books are really cute. And then with them mixing in the seasonal aspect with them, oh, adorable. So yeah, the planners are really, really cute also. Very, very pretty. Now, Happy Planner did do another collection with Disney, and they did it with the Pixar. Oh my gosh, I love Pixar, love the movies, love the characters, but I gotta tell you, this release with the Pixar, I just wasn't feeling it. Like I completely did not want anything from it. I don't know. I think I'm probably the only one that has said that. Everybody else has been like oohing and awing and just like, oh my God, it's the best thing. And I just could not get into it. The colors were not my vibe. The characters are in line art, which they're very cute. And I liked them. And I thought about getting a sticker book, but then I thought, you know what, there's only a few pages in here that I really like, and I'm not gonna do that. Like I used to do that before when I was newer in the community, because, you know, I'm like, oh my God, I have to have the stickers, you know, but I just don't find myself being like that so much anymore. I mean, if that's how you are, if you are like newer into the community, or even if you're not new and you still like to do that, you know, that's great. That's, you know, obviously, you know, you do whatever works best for you, but it's just not my thing so much anymore. If you like Pixar, you might want to check it out. It is cute, but yeah, just really not me. So anyway, moving on to what else I got here. The last thing in my collection I got was from the leflore collection. Oh my gosh, so excited about this. This is totally my vibe, my aesthetic, the pink and the white and the black, and oh my gosh, and I am really not a person that loves colored discs, but there's just something about this baby pink that is giving me all the feels. So yeah, this one is a vertical layout, which I do need a new one for next year. So that worked out perfectly. Yes, I'm really excited. It's neutral on the inside, but then it has these beautiful like pink and black and white florals in here and this like mint green. I wish that this page was a little bit different, but that's okay. But yeah, it's really just really pretty, and it's very like neutral and plain on the inside, which is exactly what I love for my like creative planning outlet. And then the sticker book, oh my gosh, like I said, you know, it's part of the collection, so oh, it's so pretty, like totally my vibe. Got the black and the pink and that mint green and the white. There's some darker like wine color in here, and it's really pretty, and I'm super excited to I'm gonna be filming my detail flip throughs of all of these. So there's going to be detail flip through of this collection, of the Disney sticker books, and then of the Nightmare Before Christmas. So there'll be 3 more videos with detail flip throughs. If you like a detail flip through, then please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell, because after I'm done filming this one, I'm going to like go and through and do all my flip throughs, and then I'll just be putting them out as, you know, as quickly as I can get them edited and out to you. So if you want to catch them, if you haven't seen them already, or if you just want to join me, because I do get pretty excited when I have things that I just really love. And yeah, that's just who I am. So if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time here with me, seeing all the goodies that I got. If you are returning, thank you so much for joining me in another video. And so many new things I feel like have come out. It's just like the season, you know, it is the season for all of the new releases and all of the new items, and it's exciting. And I don't know, I feel like almost like it's really exhausting on your wallet, I'll tell you that much. And I'm lucky because my birthday is at the end of August. So I was able to like pick up my new stuff with some of my birthday money, which actually worked out really well for me and my pocketbook. But yeah, so I really like what I got. There's a few more items that I really like that are on my list, but I'm going to kind of wait to see if those items are available in stores and I can pick them up there. All right, so let's talk a little bit about how I was able to save some money by picking up these items. First off, there was a buy more, save more sale, all right? And what I did was went through all of the items, I put them on my wish list, then I went and I looked to see what was only going to be released on the Happy Planner website. And I wanted to be sure that I got those items. So I got those items all together, and they happen to have been all of like the Disney stuff. So the 2 Disney sticker books and then all of the Nightmare Before Christmas items are only available on the Happy Planner website. At least these items, and at least for right now. What's gonna happen in the future, I have no idea, because I have definitely seen things show up in stores that were only supposed to be exclusive to like the website, or only exclusive to one store, and then they show up in another store. So I don't know, I think that they just down the way a little bit, I think things kind of end up wherever they end up. I don't know, I have no idea. Obviously that's based on, you know, their business decisions and however they figure that out. But I do like to go ahead and look at the items that are only at the Happy Planner website and make sure that I pick those up if I really want them. So that is what I went ahead and did. And then I spent the $150. So this was like, oh yeah, it was probably a little over $150. I got the 25% discount. And then because it was over $100 after the discounted savings, I got free shipping. So that's how I was able to get like the main portion of this haul. And then what I also did after that was I used my Happy Planner rewards to grab these 2 other items. Now, the one thing that I learned with using the Happy Planner rewards is that you can only use up to $25 at one time. So I had enough rewards there that were like, it was more than $25, but I was only able to redeem $25 at a time. So in order for me to order this stuff, I had to order them separately. So I ordered this one and I got the $25 savings off of this. And then I ordered this one, and then I actually I had like, I think $15 off because I was a little short of having another 25. So this sticker book ended up costing me like, I want to say maybe $12, and then the planner about the same. Yeah, so, and I knew I wasn't going to find the planner for less than that, and I knew I wasn't going to find the sticker book for less than that in, you know, in like one of my local craft stores. So that is my tip for you, is just kind of like figure that out. I did kind of like a mock-up sale just to see what my shipping and everything would be before I like finalized it. And then I thought it out. I'm like, well, am I going to be able to find these items like for that price or less if I decide to wait and go to my local craft store? And I realized that no, I wasn't going to. So I just went ahead and used my points. So that is the thing with using the points. So it was 3 separate orders put in. So that's the thing about the Happy Planner. When you place your order through them, you cannot double on your discounts and your reward points. So I don't know, it's kind of a bummer. I almost feel like it's extra work for them also, because people are still going to like want to use their reward points, and they're just going to be putting in all these multiple orders. So it's almost like that's a whole lot more work for them to do. I mean, it's more work for us also as the consumer, but then, you know, trying to get all of that out, because now you've got like 3 orders coming to one person, you know? So I don't know. I think that they need to look at that and like rework that somehow to make everybody happy. I just feel like it's, you know, it would be a better business decision on their part. I don't think that they would lose any money, quite honestly, you know, if you were able to use your reward points with, yeah, I feel like we're buying it all anyway. Just let us use it all, you know what I mean? And then ship it all in one big shipment, and there you go. I feel like they'd be able to get the items out more, but obviously they have their reasons behind it. But overall, I love what I got. I'm really happy. It's like, I love what I got. I think it's beautiful, and it's what I need for the next year. Any of your thoughts about any of the items I got, or even some of the savings things that I was talking about, drop a comment down below. And if you have not picked up anything from the new release yet, you know, like I said, I do have that video talking about the items from the new release. It's a pretty long video, but I do go into some detail going through and looking at like a lot of the items. And then of course I do create my wish list like with you in the video there. So if you want to check that out. And if you do decide to shop the Happy Planner, I greatly appreciate you using my affiliate link. I am new affiliate for the Happy Planner, so excited about that. And that is down below, and it doesn't cost you anything additional. It's just really honestly a great way for you to support your favorite content creators. So thank you so much if you have already used the link, or if you're going to do some shopping and you decide to, thank you in advance for that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure if you did to hit the like, be sure to be subscribed, and drop a comment down below. All right, well, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next ones. Bye.